Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be discussing the top 9.5 best online jobs for teenagers. And don't worry, these aren't just low-paying jobs like filling out surveys for 20 cents or watching videos for a few cents. These are legitimate opportunities where you can do real work and provide value so you can make good money. These jobs I will show you are suitable for both introverts and extroverts. Some of them may involve interacting with other people or using your voice, while others can be done independently behind a computer screen without anyone bothering you, and you can choose to work however long you want. The only requirements are a computer and an internet connection. As a teenager, taking on one of these online jobs can give you a huge advantage over your peers in terms of the income you can earn and the skills you can acquire, because when you set up some of these online jobs, they can continue to pay you for years into the future. I know for a fact that it's possible to earn a couple $1,000s per month or more through these jobs as a teenager, and the potential for long-term income is high as well. So let's get started. Online job number 1 is by running faceless YouTube channels. This is exactly how I started, and I still do this. This is great, especially if you're an introvert like me and don't want to be in front of a camera. The process is simple. You download videos, repurpose them to make them valuable, and then upload them to YouTube and monetize them with ads. Some niches that tend to be the most popular and profitable are finance, health, relationships, and happiness or psychology. Take the YouTube channel Brainy Dose, for instance, which receives millions of views each month and generates tens of thousands of dollars in advertising revenue. They only use stock video from sources like Storyblocks, Pexels, Vedivo, and Pixabay. These are some great places to find the footage you'll need to create your videos yourself, as they are all completely free. Searching your own topic on YouTube and sorting the results by the most recent videos with the greatest view counts are 2 simple ways to come up with video ideas. This will show you what new videos within your niche are doing well. Instead of just guessing what will work, try modeling what has already been successful and recreating it on your own channel. You can get music for your videos from the YouTube audio library, and you can write your scripts using tools like Dynalist or Google Docs. To make sure your scripts are unique, you can use a website called Copyscape. Once you have your script ready, you can record a voiceover yourself using just your phone like I did when I started, or pay someone on Fiverr to do it for you for around $10 to $20. Remember to edit your videos and follow the guidelines of fair use to avoid any potential copyright strikes. To edit your videos, there are plenty of free options available like HitFilm, OpenShot, or Shotcut, or you can use a program called VideoScribe to create automated whiteboard videos. For thumbnails, you don't need Photoshop. Try using a free editor like Canva, Snappa, or Paint.net. Now you might be wondering, how can I actually make money with my YouTube channel? One way is by joining the YouTube Partner Program through the Monetization tab in your Creator Studio. Once you meet the requirements, YouTube will put ads on your videos and pay you every time someone watches a monetized playback. But there's more you can do to increase your earnings. You can check out websites like Digistore24, ClickBank, and the Amazon affiliate program to find products to promote in your videos and make even more money from your channel. Having great thumbnails for your YouTube videos is important because it can help you get more views. Let's do a thumbnail test to see the difference a good thumbnail can make. Take a look at these 2 options and tell me which one you would be more likely to click on. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. So I know that they weren't shown for very long, but which one would you instinctively click on more? Did you choose option 1? That thumbnail got over 200,000 views in just 1 month, while option 2 only got 700 views in 6 months. So what makes option 1 so much better? The text is minimal, easy to read, and there is a clear contrast between the text and the background. When it comes to thumbnails, the key is to keep things simple and easy to understand. Now, a secret to grow your YouTube channel: make sure your videos are concise and have lots of cuts to keep your viewers engaged. Aim for an average view duration of 60% and a click-through rate of 6% for 10-minute videos. If you can hit these targets, it's very likely that your channel will go viral and you'll start making money from your videos. Job number 2 as a teenager is running a personal channel. If you're an extrovert who enjoys talking to people and being in front of a camera, running a personal YouTube channel might be the perfect job for you. Even if you're more introverted and it takes you a while to get comfortable talking to a camera, don't worry. It's a skill that you can learn as a teenager, and it will pay off in the long run. Plus, the same principles for growing a channel that we talked about earlier apply to personal channels too. In fact, it can be even easier to sell products through a personal channel because your audience may trust you more when they can see your face. So if you're interested in starting a YouTube channel, give it a shot and see where it takes you. Next is a job idea number 3, which is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to make money online by promoting products and earning a commission on each sale. I personally make thousands of dollars per month from affiliate marketing, and it's a great way for teenagers to earn money online. There's a step-by-step guide on how to get started. Step number 1 is to sign up for an affiliate network. Some options include Digistore24, ClickBank, and the Amazon affiliate program. You can also search for affiliate programs in specific niches like health, wealth, happiness, and relationships. Let's use Digistore24 as an example. Go to their website and click Register Now. Fill out your information and register for free. Step number 2 is to go to your Digistore24 settings and set up a payout account. You can choose to get paid via direct deposit or PayPal, and I recommend selecting weekly payments. Step number 3 is to choose your niche and product. To do that, go to the Digistore24 marketplace and browse the available products. There are options in various niches including health, wealth, and happiness. Select the program you want to promote and click Promote Now. This page will also show you how much money you'll make per sale. They'll also give you this affiliate support page, which if you click it, it'll explain some different bonuses that you can use to help promote the product. Step number 4 is to generate your links. To do this, go to your Digistore24 account and select Affiliate Partnerships. Find the partnership you signed up for and click the pencil icon. This will give you a link to start promoting. Anybody who clicks this link and makes a purchase, even up to 180 days later, will earn you a commission. Step 5 is all about choosing your traffic source. This is just a fancy way of saying how you'll get people to visit your website or a social media page. There are 2 main types of traffic, free and paid. Let's focus on the top 3 free traffic sources. The number 1 best traffic source is YouTube. I've made the vast majority of my money online from YouTube. Many people make a lot of money just by creating videos on YouTube. You don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. You can just do screen recording videos. There's a software called OBS that can help you with this. Instagram is another great free traffic source. All you have to do is make an optimized Instagram page, put your affiliate link in the bio, and post regular content like feed posts, IGTV videos, and stories. When people DM you directly, you can even sell products directly through the DMs. Running a blog is a third way to get free traffic. You can use WordPress to write articles and get ideas from other blogs using a free tool called Ubersuggest. It's important to write about topics that lots of people are searching for but don't have a lot of competition. That way, you can get lots of free traffic from Google. Now let's talk about 3 paid traffic sources. These are ways to get people to visit your website or social media page by paying for ads. Once you start making some money, you can reinvest some of it into these paid traffic sources to make even more money. Number 1 is YouTube ads. This is a way to show ads on specific videos within your niche. A tool called TubeSwift can help you find monetized videos to put your ads on. You can also run retargeting ads, which means showing ads to people who have already watched your YouTube channel. Paid traffic source number 2 is Facebook ads, and number 3 is Instagram ads. I don't have much experience with those last 2, but I know lots of people who make millions of dollars using these platforms, and you can find tons of free YouTube videos that teach you more about them in depth. Step 6 for affiliate marketing is all about figuring out what's working and making it even better. This means finding the traffic sources that are bringing in the most sales and doing more of them. If you use Digistore24, you can create something called campaign key links to track where your sales are coming from. Just make a new campaign key link for each traffic source and then see which ones are getting the most sales. Once you know this, you can focus on the traffic sources that are working the best and try to get even more sales from them. I've added a link in the description below to my top recommendation for getting started with affiliate marketing. It's a free video that will literally teach you everything you need to know to get started as a beginner. Job idea number 4 is photo editing. To get paid with photo editing, the first step will be to figure out your niche. When you're starting out with photo editing, it's a good idea to pick a few specific types of images to focus on. Some ideas might be YouTube thumbnails, YouTube logos, Instagram logos and feed posts, Facebook covers, and sales page images. Step 2 is to get some photo editing software. There are lots of options out there, both free and paid. Canva and Snappa are 2 free options that are great for creating online graphics. They have lots of templates that you can use, so you don't have to be a professional to get started. Paint.net is another free option that's good for learning photo editing. Some paid options include Photoshop, which can be a bit of a learning curve, and Luminar Neo, which lets you modify people's faces and other details in images. And you can use free YouTube videos to learn how to use your specific program to create your specific niche. For example, if you're making YouTube thumbnails, you can search for tutorials on how to do that in Canva, Snappa, or Paint.net. There are tons of gigs on Fiverr that do this type of work and make a lot of money, so it's definitely worth checking out. Step 3 is to start advertising your services. To get started, sign up for free platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Then, create a few example images to show people what you can do. This will give people an idea of what kind of services you offer. Step 4 is to get reviews. One way to get a lot of reviews quickly is to offer to make a few images for people either very cheaply or for free in return for a testimonial or a review. This will help you build up a portfolio of work and get your name out there. To determine how much to charge, take a look at what other people on Fiverr and other platforms are charging for photo editing services. You can start by charging a similar rate, but as your demand increases, make sure to increase your prices too. It's important to remember that your time and talent are valuable, so don't be afraid to ask for what you're worth. Job idea number 5 is editing videos. If you love video editing, you can make money by offering your services on platforms like Fiverr, People Per Hour, Guru, and Upwork. If you charge $100 for editing a 10-minute video and you edit one video per day, that's $3,000 per month. To get started quickly, you can offer to edit your first 3 videos either for free or very cheaply, and then get some great reviews and testimonials. There are plenty of free video editing software options out there like DaVinci Resolve, the Canva Video Editor, and HitFilm Express. You can also create whiteboard animations for people using a tool like Doodly. Or you can use automated software like Pictory to create videos for businesses and other customers. Job idea number 6 is selling your knowledge. This is a great job idea, especially if you're a teenager in high school. The best part is that you can set it up once and continue to make money in the future, even while you're in school, doing homework, hanging out with friends, or sleeping. So how do you sell your knowledge? One way is by creating and selling online courses. If you want to make $3,000 per month as a teenager, it's actually not too hard. You just need to get 6 sales per month at a $500 price point. To create a successful course, you'll need to know something that other people want to learn. If people have ever asked you how to do something, that's a good sign that you can make a course about it. So think about your skills and expertise and see if there's a way you can turn that into an online course. A course is just a bunch of videos covering a specific topic. You can use a program called OBS to record your computer screen and then use something like Google Slides to make a slideshow for your course. It's a good idea to have at least 30 videos in your course. If you make 1 video per day, in a month you'll have a course that can potentially make you money for a long time. If you don't have the money for fancy software to sell your course, you can put it on a website called Udemy for free and they'll sell and promote it for you. Once you can afford your own software, you can stop sharing your profits with Udemy and keep all the money for yourself. You can use a program like Kajabi to do this. You can also put your course on Digistore24 and have affiliates promote it for you. You can also promote your course on social media like YouTube and Instagram. Job idea number 7 is transcribing videos, and there is a website called gotranscript.com that will pay you to do this. Simply go to their website, scroll to the bottom, and click the Join as a Transcriber button. According to the website, top transcribers can earn up to $1,200 per month, while the average earnings are around $150 per month. You can also sign up for a website called rev.com and do transcriptions on that too, and they pay a little bit more per minute. The job involves watching videos and audio files and typing out what is being said. While this can be a good way to make some extra cash if you're in a tight spot, you might want to consider moving on to other opportunities once you've saved up a bit of money. That's what I personally recommend. In order to do voiceovers, you'll need a good microphone for that, and the Blue Yeti Nano is a great option for under $100. Just plug it into your computer and you're ready to go. If you're worried about echoes, there are a few things you can do to reduce them. You can try putting some foam panels on your walls, or you can record it in a closet if you have one. Or if you're on a tight budget, you can just use a blanket as a makeshift recording booth. Once you have your setup ready, you'll want to download a free audio editor called Audacity to record and edit your voiceovers. This will allow you to cut out any mistakes and make your recordings sound as good as possible. Then you can advertise your services on websites like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, Voices.com, and Backstage.com. To make more money, consider creating multiple gig listings for different types of voiceovers like commercials, animated characters, movies, radio, and YouTube videos. You don't have to worry if you sound young. Some of the biggest voiceover gigs on sites like Fiverr are actually done by kids and teenagers. If you charge $50 for a 10-minute voiceover and do 1 per day, you can make $1,500 per month. I personally know some voiceover artists that make much more than that. Job idea number 9 is consulting. Now, this is similar to selling online courses in that it's selling your knowledge, but you're actually talking to people and they're paying you by the minute to talk to them. You can connect with clients through websites like clarity.fm and then have phone or video calls to answer their questions. It's important to note that you don't have to be a genius to be a successful consultant. As long as you know just a little bit more about a certain topic than someone else, you can help them out and get paid for it. Now, at this point, you're probably wondering why I said there would be 9.5 things, and what's that 0.5? Well, 0.5 is actually going to be a bonus that I'm going to share with you on how you can make the most amount of money possible doing this. And it's really important that you implement this bonus because it could allow you to make 10 or 20 times more than you would otherwise. And this would be by creating what I like to call a symbiotic system. And here's how that system would work. Step 1 would be to spend 1 month learning as much as you can about a subject that you're interested in and that other people want to learn about. To find out what skills are in demand, check out websites like Udemy and Skillshare and browse their categories. You can also take a few classes to boost your knowledge and expertise. Trust me, it'll be well worth it. Remember, the more you learn, the more money you can potentially make. Some ideas for subjects to focus on might include growing YouTube channels, creating websites, editing videos, photography, or anything else you're interested in. Step 2 would be to create a few YouTube channels that provide valuable content related to your chosen subject. The third step in the process is to create a personal YouTube channel. This is where you'll be able to share your own videos and content with your audience. Once you feel comfortable enough to get in front of a camera, it's time to create your own channel. The fourth step is to sign up for affiliate programs related to your niche. These programs allow you to earn commissions by promoting products to your audience. Once you've joined these programs, make sure to add links to relevant products in the description of all your YouTube videos, both on your personal channel and any Faceless channels you may have. The fifth step is to start selling your services on websites like Fiverr and Upwork. These platforms allow you to offer your skills and services to a wider audience. As you start to build up your client base, make sure to promote your services in the description of your YouTube videos as well. The sixth step is to create a course teaching others how to do it themselves. Step 7 is to offer consulting services to help people more in depth. You can use a website called Calendly to schedule appointments and accept payments with a tool called Stripe. Simply jump on a call with someone using Zoom and answer their questions to provide your consulting services. This way, you can have 5 different sources of income, including YouTube ad revenue, course sales, affiliate earnings, service revenue, and consulting income. The great thing about having multiple streams of income is that they can all support each other. For example, when people buy your course, they may also be interested in your services. As your YouTube channel grows, it can lead to more consulting sales. They all feed each other, so when one grows, they all grow, and you make a lot more money. And eventually, each of these income streams has the potential to make thousands of dollars per month. This is a much more effective way to make money online than trying to create random YouTube channels in different niches. Because when you get views in your niche channel, it doesn't necessarily then feed your personal channel. With this method, all of your income streams work together and can lead to much greater financial success as a teenager. It's not about completing surveys for a super small payout. This is the real deal. From my own experience, I can say that this is the best way to make money online, and it has the potential to continue growing even if you don't actively work on it. If you can set up some of these systems while you're still in high school or college, you can graduate with multiple streams of income that can make you a lot of money. For anyone watching this video who takes action based on this information, I hope to hear that it has completely changed your life. If you'd like to take things a step further and really know how to grow your business as a teen and get the best help and support while doing so, click the link in the description below to get a free video training sent to your email teaching you just how you can do that. It's my top recommendation for making money online, and we only provide what we think are the very best ways to earn money online, so be sure to check that out if you are serious about this. I want to see you make a lot of money, but more importantly, I want to see you bring value to others as well. This is what these methods are all about. The more value we bring to society, the more we get paid for it, and it feels great to do something good for others. Don't just watch these videos, take action on them too. In a few months, I want to see a comment from you saying that you're making a couple $1,000s per month. I know it's possible and I believe in you. If you're committed to this, leave a comment saying so. Now, if you'd like to learn about the latest free technology that can earn you thousands right now, click this video right here.